Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture error. Let's fix it guys. You just need to follow these four steps one by one. First step, you just need to lower in-game graphics settings. Go to game settings and reduce texture quality, turn off ray tracing and lower resolution and disable anti-aliasing and shadows. After doing it, second step we just need to close background programs. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. End unnecessary background apps, especially browsers and video players, just by right click and select End Task. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to increase virtual memory. To do this, press Windows key and R key together and type here sysdm.cpl. Press enter and go to Advanced tab. Under Performance, select Settings. Go to Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, select Change option. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives and select a Custom Size option. And now go to Search menu and type About Web PC. Click on Open it. And here you can able to see your installed RAM. In my case, 8 GB of RAM I have. Now check my video description for this values, initialize value and maximum size value. Copy the value depends on your RAM. Paste it in install size. Same thing for maximum size value. Copy the value depends on your RAM and paste it in maximum size and select the set option to set the values and select OK and apply and OK and restart the PC. Fourth step is to update graphics drivers. To do this, check my video description for these three links. You just need to select GeForce in first option and select your graphics card model series. Select your graphics card model and select your operating system, select your language and select find option. You just need to select view option next to game ready driver. Select the download option and download the driver. After getting download done, install it. For AMD users, same thing. In here, select the graphics, select your graphics card model and select submit option. Now you just need to expand it, depends on your system, and you just need to download the recommended driver. Select the download option. For Intel users, download and install this Intel driver support assistant. After getting installed done, you can able to see in here, just right click on the Intel support assistant and select check for new drivers option. In here, all available drivers will be listed guys. Just need to select update all option to update and install the latest drivers. After following these four steps, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.